This short presentation is one of a series about the knowledge transfer system I developed for Underdog Strategy. It's called the Worksheet System. Hello, I'm Laure Paquette, and I'm a professor of political science at Lakehead University. I teach Underdog Strategy. That means, what do you do to get what you want when you have no power and no money? This particular presentation is about Worksheet 8, Tactics and Counter-Tactics. This is what Worksheet 8 looks like. It has two columns. On the left, you list the goal and the tactics for a particular actor, and on the right, in column 2, you list the goal and the counter-tactics for another actor. This presentation has 6 sections. It includes uses, definitions, instructions, tips, tips for simulations, and final checks. For Worksheet 8, there are 2 uses. First, it shows whether more should be done by any actor to reach the goal. And second, it shows which actor is doing more to reach the goal. In section 2, we'll look at the definitions needed for the worksheet. For Worksheet 8, there is only one definition. What is a counter-tactic? A counter-tactic is what a tactic is called when there's a second actor in the environment. Let's look at section 3, instructions for completing the worksheet. For Worksheet 8, there are 3 instructions. First, list the goal of the actor. Second, list 1 tactic per box. And third, repeat these instructions for the other actor. In section 4, we'll look at tips to help you complete the worksheet. For Worksheet 8, there are 3 tips. First, use the same actor as a subject for each tactic. Second, start every tactic with a verb. And third, don't try to match tactics and counter-tactics. They shouldn't line up perfectly. In section 5 of this presentation, we'll look at tips specifically for filling out worksheets for the simulation. For Worksheet 8, there are 2 tips specifically for simulations. First, mix real-life and simulation events for this worksheet. And second, use all the sources of information available. Presentations, question and answer periods, other kinds of interactions, all the documents, as well as research. In section 6 of this presentation, we'll look at final checks to make when you've completed the worksheet. For Worksheet 8, there are 2 checks. First, check that tactics of only 1 actor are listed per column. And second, check that only tactics and not actors or resources are listed. You can find sample worksheets completed for the roleplay simulations and a large number of real-life situations in the open access ebook Teaching Political Science, published by De Gruyter in 2015.